we need to find the number of local maxima and local minimum of the functions, right? So first you redefine the functions. So which point is the breaking point? So whatever the modulus is there, you have to equate to 0. The breaking point here is 0, -1 and +1. First let us check if x is less than -1. So definitely x negative, x plus 1 also negative, x minus 1 also negative. So in this case, how to define the f of x? You can see here x is negative means minus x. So mod x plus 1, how to write? -1, right? If x is -1 to 0, you can take. So definitely x is negative. You can add 1 both sides and x minus 1 is negative. So how to define the f of x? X square minus 1. Then next is x is 0 to 1 you can take. In this case, x is positive, x plus 1 also positive. X minus 1 is what? X minus 1 is negative. So therefore, how to define the f of x? So x is minus x square plus 1. So this is minus x square plus x plus 1 we can write. Okay, when you take x is greater than 1, x is greater than 0, x plus 1 also greater than 0, x minus 1 also greater than 0, then you can see how to rewrite this function f of x equal to this is your functions. When x is less than -1, this one. So you can differentiate this function. You can see what will get. Okay, you can see the graph. This is your x-axis, the y-axis. So let's take this is -1. If you take in the functions, you will get 1. Right here, it's 1 is there. Okay, but you can see when x is less than -1, so 2x minus 1 is there. If you take any value, f dash of x is less than 0, definitely decreasing functions. So decreasing functions, it will be like this. Okay, if x less than 0. Then if you take -1 to 0, -1 to 0, what is the critical point? -2x minus 1 equal to 0, -2x equal to 1, x is equal to -1 by 2. So therefore, this is your -1 by 2, this is your critical points, right? Okay. So definitely, you can see here, when x is -1 to 0, so we can attain the local maxima. Why? Because if you put here, x is equal to -1 by 2 in the second derivative. What is second derivative of this? F double dash of x, you check -1 to 0. What is that? -2, right? If you apply -1 by 2 here, it is less than 0. Definitely it is local maxima. So the graph will be like this. What is the local maxima, local minima? 0 to 1, -2x is equal to -1, x equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is again it's a local maxima, right? If you put 1 here, it's 1 only. But if you take more than 1, f dash of x is what? If more than 1, it's f dash of x is greater than 0, strictly increasing. So if you more than 0, it is increasing, like this it will go, right? So you can see the number of local minima here is -1 and 0 and 1, right? Local maximum -1 by 2 and +1 by 2. There are 5 points is possible, either local maxima, local minima.